Food, man. Tell everyone who you are.
I'm Danny.
Alright,
Feeding random fishes.
yeah, feeding the koi. I'm gonna grab some food for the cichlid pond. Hopefully y'all can see them. But got some nice ones in there. I wish it wasn't black because I have some blue ones and red ones in there. But I got some orange and white ones you'll probably see. They're mostly peacocks though. Usually it's clear, but we have a black bottom, so let's go over to the guppy pond. Alright, could you grab a few pieces of food for me, please? Thanks. This crate over here so the raccoons won't get into the pond.
What is it? What is it?
This is just for like little tiny fish.
They're dead. I think they're dead.
Hopefully y'all can see them. Pretty nice ones in there. Got some red ones and blue ones. They got some platies in there as well. That's all for this vid.